Hi guys, this is a video to help those of you that have been struggling to download Steam on Mac. I had a few problems where when I was downloading it was saying the file was corrupted and it wasn't opening. This should help you get past that. I've seen quite a few other videos, but they're quite long, and I think I found a quicker solution. Alright, so what you want to do, you want to bring up Steam and you're going to be clicking install Steam on the Steam website. So install Steam Mac. That's going to go into your downloads. Drag and drop that onto your desktop, and it's going to be a folder like this. Now, if you're trying to download a game once just having this file, this is not Steam. This is how you do it. So you bring up this window here, and it's telling you to drag this application into your applications. So you want to do that. I've already done it, so I won't be doing it. And then drop this into the bin. Go into your Finder, Launchpad, and you should have Steam in your applications. Open up Steam, go to your library, go to your downloads, and then download, or go to your library and go to home and download whatever you want to download from your Steam account, then onto your Mac. And that will open up. I done it with Call of Duty Black Ops 3, so that will put an application just there. Guys, if this video has helped you, please like and subscribe, and thank you very much. See you soon.